Hi guys, pallets can be great solution for cheap but unique furniture. In this video I'll show you the furniture I've built from pallets in my house. The first furniture is a table for my living room. For that I used this pallet. It is known as Euro pallet. First I sanded the pallet with a sandpaper and then cleaned it good from all the sawdust. In order to protect the table from scratches, moisture damage, spills and stains, I needed a finish. Plus, a finish will make wood look great. For that I applied varnish. I took the pallet to a glazier so he could measure it precisely and adjust glass surface. Finally, I bought these wheels from a local store. I chose those because I wanted an industrial look. Then I've built these two drawers so they will fit the spaces, and stored all my unused CDs there. It's a great solution for storing all the CDs I have no longer use for. Eventually I added these buttons, and here's the result. The second furniture is a desk for my kids. For that I also used the Euro pallet. You can see that this time I applied color on the pallet. Since it's a desk, storage place was essential, so I've built these two drawers from leftovers. The width of the drawers must be a bit narrower than the width of the gap for smoother movement. Regarding the legs of the table, I have found what I needed on IKEA. These legs are light, can carry the weight, and come with caster. Finally, I placed a matching glass surface. The next furniture is a teenager bed. I needed two beds, but wanted them to be a bit different from each other. For the first bed I used 4 pallets. I think these are used in Finland, therefore called Finnish pallets. I put them through the same process, meaning sanding, cleaning the sawdust good, and applying varnish. I placed the first 2 pallets on the floor upside down. Before that I aimed these soft-headed tacks in each corner so I'll be able to drag the pallet easily whenever it will be needed. Over the first 2 I placed another 2 pallets, this time straight. This way I could place these baskets for storage. I bought a mattress with the same measures and that's it. For the second bed I used only 2 pallets. In order for the bed not to be too low, I elevated it from the floor by using these leftover cubes from other pallets. I have built 5 poles for each pallet and a total of 10 poles. I also used the soft-headed tacks here. I aimed one under each pole. I've painted the second bed white, a color that matched the rest of the furniture in the room. For storage, I used these 2 boxes I found also in IKEA. And here's the result. The last furniture I've built so far is a solution for storing dry food, spices and cooking equipment. I wanted to use a Euro pallet and hang it on the kitchen wall, but the pallet was too wide for the wall. Therefore I have dismantled the pallet, sawed it to fit the right measures and rebuilt it, not before washing, drying and brushing. I added these parts so it can hold the stuff I wanted and hanged it on the wall using these. That's all. Hope you enjoyed. I would love to get feedbacks and don't forget to subscribe.